welcome to the presentation of my project for numerical methods for ordinary and partial differential equations, which are the Newton-Raphson and trapezoidal rules. My agenda are programming language, method overview, sample program execution, and lastly, we will discuss the scope and limitation of my project. First, let's go to program language. The application that I use is a Microsoft Visual C++ 6.0 which supports C++ programming language. Next is the method overview. Newton-Raphson, also known as Newton's method, is a way to quickly find a good approximation for the root of a real-valued function f of x is equal to 0. It uses the idea that continuous and differentiable function can be approximated by a straight line tangent to it. On the other hand, trapezoidal rules is a method which works by approximating the region under the graph of function f of x as trapezoid and its calculating area. For the formula, under Newton-Raphson, x nu is equal to x minus f of x divided by f prime of x, where x is the initial guess, x nu is a new x valued for next iteration, n is a number of iteration, f of x is a function of x, f prime of x is the first derivative of function of x, and note that the process of replacing x by x nu depends on the value of n. On the other hand, trapezoidal rules, area is equal to x over 2 multiplied by fx0 plus fxn plus 2 times the sum of all fx middle, where LL is a limit boundary lower and HL is the upper limit boundary. N is the number of segment, H is the width of each segment, f of x is the function of x. Now, for the sample program execution, we will try to execute these familiar problems we encounter on lecture and assignment. So let's start. Let's open the Exe app and input the given values. First, select the Newton-Raphson method on the upper part of our Exe file. Then input the coefficient listed on the problem as well as the initial guess and number of iteration. For the coefficient, we will input 1 for x to the fourth, negative 26 for x cubed, negative 300 for x squared, 1007 for x, and negative 1874 for the constant. Then we will input negative 11 to the initial guess and the number operation of 100. With that, we can get the first real root, which is negative 11.000558995. And then, to get the second real root, let's retain all the given values except the initial guess, which is negative 11. Let's replace that with 35. With that, we can get their second real root, which is the 34.0000839360. Next is the trapezoidal rules. To get that, let's click the trapezoidal rules tab on the upper part of our Exe file. Then input the coefficient listed on the problem. Let's input 1 for x cubed, 4 for x squared, 17 for x, and negative 7 for the constant. Then, 1 for lower limit, 5 for upper limit, and 25 for the number of segment given. With that, we can calculate the approximated area for this method, which is the 497.5552 squared units. And for the last part, the scope and the limitation. Our project under Newton-Raphson works only for the polynomial equation from second to 10th degree. It cannot get imaginary root, and it also can get one root at a time for a given initial guess and iteration. For trapezoidal rules, our project works only for polynomial equation with second to 10th degree only, just like the Newton-Raphson method. And that's the end. Thank you for listening.